Home developing now a desperate race to save lives in the aftermath of Hurricane Ian.
Yeah, this morning, search and rescue crews are around the clock working to track down Floridians who might be trapped. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis says there have been more than 1,600 rescues by air, boat, and on the ground. The massive storm carving a path of destruction from Florida through the Carolinas. NewsNation confirming more than 80 deaths. That number is expected to rise, with more than 600,000 power customers still in the dark. People lined up outside of gas stations to fill up and also to get their generators flowing. President Biden expected to visit Florida on Wednesday. Today, he will be in Puerto Rico touring the damage from Hurricane Fiona. He's giving $60 million to the island to help guard against future storms. Our crews still spread across Florida this morning. Let's start with Brooke Schaefer. She is live in Naples. Brooke?
Hey, Adrienne, a lot of cleanup still needs to happen across Southwest Florida, especially that heavy-duty cleanup, like these boats you see tossed around in the strength of Hurricane Ian's winds. This morning, we expect more search and rescue to happen, especially on those hard-hit barrier islands along Florida's west coast. The death toll here in Florida continues to climb. That number of confirmed dead now more than 80.
This morning, new video shows search and rescue teams saving an elderly couple on Fort Myers Beach. Their road washed away in Hurricane Ian. They'd been trapped inside for days. The White House says more than 2,000 people impacted by the Category 4 hurricane have been rescued by state and federal teams.
Fire department!
This as the number of deaths from Ian continues to go up. On hard-hit Sanibel Island, first responders arrive on boats and helicopters.
Throughout our searches, we've encountered several elderly patients that have needed to be evacuated. And they were in areas where were not easily accessible.
And where this piece of concrete is about where the pool was.
Doug and Melissa Hoover's home washed away in the storm. Their small island community of Matlacha near Sanibel demolished.
We thought at least if the house was hurt, we'd still have our seawall, we'd still have the pool, we could rebuild. We weren't expecting most of our land to be gone, too.
Hundreds, if not thousands, in Southwest Florida are now homeless. Some who survived the monster hurricane calling it a miracle. And in some of the hardest hit places, people are already eager to rebuild.
Hopefully they'll rebuild and do it. You know, you're hearing all kinds of stories that they might condemn it, they might do anything, but we're hoping they'll build it back up to its quaint, adorable community it was.
Again, that search and rescue expected to continue today. Search teams tell me they are bringing in heavy machinery to help them sift through some of the debris of these now flattened houses. Mitch and Adrienne.
All right, thanks to you, Brooke. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.